Hey guys, Molly and Ben here from Design Loves Detail, and today we're going to be sharing a tip that our contractor gave us that might help you in your home as well.
Well, hopefully it works.
Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of when our next video is live. We've got exciting stuff coming with this flip home we've been updating step by step, and in fact, you might notice a little different color behind me. It's been painted, so sneak peek, I'm gonna do a video soon of the whole exterior, what it used to look like, how we changed it, what color I used and all that stuff, but you can get a little glimpse of it behind us.
Don't forget to like, comment on the video.
So the issue we have is this concrete back here, it got really dirty and we weren't sure if it would clean up. We tried the power washer, which you can see.
We had a little fun with it.
Yeah, definitely was working. It was taking a long time, and our builder, Mike of Bear Construction, knows a lot of things, and he was like, "Oh yeah, just put Coke on that." And we're like, "What?"
Yeah. So apparently, if you put Coke on this and let it sit for a little bit and then scrub it, then it'll come off, and you don't need to use a power washer. And I was worried that some of these little parts that are coming off were from me, but they weren't. I don't think. I think it'll be a little gentler.
Gentler.
Yeah. A little concern over the fact that Coke is something people put in their body generally, and I do from time to time, and it's about to do some damage on some concrete.
I don't drink that stuff.
We're gonna head to Walmart and grab some stuff, and should be pretty simple, right? We just need Coke and a broom, is what we're told. So let's figure it out. Of course, Molly's got to make a stop when she sees something she likes. Detour. We are going to the Coke first. We don't need Miller Lite. Since we don't buy Coke, we don't know where it is.
Is it on the juice aisle?
I don't think they put juice and
soda?
Things like that on the same aisle. We might have passed it.
My vote is it's on the juice aisle.
Well, look straight ahead.
Beverages. So juice doesn't fall into beverages?
No, juice falls into healthier beverages.
Coke section.
Okay, look how much Coke there is.
It might say we need like Diet Coke, regular Coke, or cherry Coke.
I think it's just
Coke
regular
Zero?
Coke.
What about Coke Zero?
That might have zero effect on what we're trying to do.
It might.
So, I don't know. When you say regular Coke,
Caffeine-free variety?
yeah, when you say regular Coke, I think that means Coke, or when you say Coke, that means regular Coke, I should say.
Coca-Cola.
So,
Original taste.
yes, let's get that.
Okay.
And I think we need 2.
Now we're heading to find brooms, I guess.
Yeah, we got a broom to scrub it.
Lots of broom options. Oh, right there. What about that Libman thing? Right there.
Yeah, I think that would be good.
It's a nitty-gritty.
Yeah.
It's got a handle there for strong grabbing. Can you demo for us? Let me see you show how that works. Nope, you gotta use the handle. It looks like it's not your size. Is there?
I think they're all for smaller people.
Maybe for me. You're not getting the nitty-gritty?
Kind of nervous. Molly has a problem. Not only does she stop to buy her own things, but anytime there's children's clothing, she needs to stop and look for things. Pretty much only buy things for our daughter at this point, because Molly thinks they're cute. The boys have plenty of clothes to hand down, because there's 3 of them.
I think she needs this.
I think you need that in an adult size.
I'd wear that. I'd sleep in that. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, somebody else has needs.
Well,
Found some interesting shorts, huh?
I like how they look, but I do need shorts.
What about these over here?
I don't find them attractive, but I do find them cheap.
I don't find them attractive. Gotta get the cart out of the aisle.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna buy one.
Oh, we got one. Is that all you need? I didn't even get anything because I
I know, because you were mocked.
I was redirected and mocked.
Alright, we're good. Alright, so we're back, and we have these. I found another broom, so we actually got 2. We're gonna try this one first. So,
Yeah, this one doesn't look as industrial strength as this.
yeah, I don't know that we need the squeegee situation, or the foamy. Well, I don't have anything to put a hole in this, because you shake it up and spray it, from what we've been told. So I gotta go search for something.
Oh, I was gonna say, I don't think you have to get Coke brand. I'm sure you could get the knockoff.
Probably
right?
true.
It's all equally corrosive.
We could have saved $2.
Don't need name brand.
But a broom and a couple of these, less than 20 bucks. And,
We'll see if it works.
you know, I don't know if you saw, let's show you a look back at the footage of how
dirty?
How rough it was using the pressure washer, because
Yeah.
it would take a really long time. I'm looking for a nail.
I'm going to find something to poke a hole in the top of this. Coke bottle.
Usually on a construction site, there's just random nails.
Yeah, there probably are some inside, but they're painting right now. You can see everything's taped off, so we can't really go inside. It's got to be like a nail.
Good news.
Oh, see, I told you
Nice.
got a pokey thing.
Pokey thing. All right,
Spot here.
game time.
We don't need to scrub until it sits
No,
for a
first we
second.
spray. We should have had an adult do this. All right.
Children, don't try this at home.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm worried it's gonna spray all over me.
It's gonna go crazy. You better be ready to just hurry. Go, go, go.
I got it.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Do you want me to get mine, or are we just doing one?
We're just doing one. Oh my gosh.
Go, go, go. Shake, shake, shake.
Oh, it was so
like a-
disappointing.
Tiny trickle.
I gotta make a bigger hole.
Just,
Okay,
there you go.
there we go. That's what we want. It's coming out. Okay. Seriously? Look at that.
Really
So
anticlimactic.
disappointing.
I'm just gonna shake mine and then take the lid off.
All right, here we go. Well, there's one bottle of Coke down.
I got my mouth. Oh.
Molly hasn't had soda since she was 14.
Just literally, like, look at me.
I feel like I shouldn't have worn my gym shoes for this.
My legs are covered in Coke. Like, this does not seem like a good idea. And my
Okay,
hair
so
and the microphone.
we're probably gonna need to distribute this a little.
I really hope this works.
I do too. Okay, so we're gonna let it sit. It's been a few minutes,
I
and
washed off my Coke.
it's starting to dry. So we're gonna scrub it.
We
Let's see
haven't
what
thought about
happens.
that it's like 100 degrees right now, and so it's like drying. Mike said to leave it a while, but
Look at that.
it is coming off.
A little elbow grease. People still say that? What's that? We might.
We might, yes. Definitely taking it off.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Looking pretty good.
We're just gonna have to wash the Coke off though, because you can still see the color from the Coke. But look at all that, like drying. You can tell that's like straight up dirt right there.
That's pretty impressive, though.
Yeah, because we didn't leave it as long as we should have.
Yeah.
And it's working.
Yeah. I don't feel like it's completely taking it off.
Yeah, but if we get the hose, we can get a better sense.
We may have to use the power washer still, but a lot simpler process.
Yeah, not as much to
We'll see.
blast off. Really useful right now.
You just stand there and look good. Oh, wonderful. Like Vanna White. A little drier over there, though.
Yeah, it's not good over here.
Better you than me.
The jet, okay.
We may need the power washer.
Yeah, we might. See how this goes. It is coming off though, look at that.
Yeah, I think you're gonna have to do it one more time.
Yeah.
It's trying
Yep.
really
Oh,
hard.
look, that part.
Yep. We're gonna need the power washer. So,
This stuff over here looks really good. Look at that.
gonna spray the wall a little bit, Mo.
Yeah.
Get that off
Get the Coke off.
before it dries on the wall.
We need to clean off these too.
That's a different problem.
But look how clean that part is.
Yeah. It works.
Because the parts where we didn't already power wash, look, it's doing better.
It is looking pretty good on the stuff that we did not power wash before, but this was also the worst area before. Let's get the power washer and see how it goes. Ah!
It seems that the Coke worked really well on the stuff we hadn't power washed already. The power wash was like a little bit deeper though, so like I think if you used Coke only, it would probably look more even.
Also, it was the most dirty over there, which is why we started
Yeah.
spraying it with the power
But
washer
over
before.
here, where we hadn't power washed, like look how clean that is. So I actually think this Coke thing would have been really good. I would have done it, if I could do it over, I would have done it in the morning before it was so hot, because that was the issue we ran into. We couldn't leave it on as long as we needed to. My hair is all sticky from Coke, and at least we're making progress. We're going to just hurry and go over it to blow all the stuff off of it with
See how it goes.
our baby power washer.
Definitely gonna have to get the wall again.
Look at all that.
It's looking pretty good.
Yeah, it is looking pretty good. You gotta get right up on there. Look at that. So dirty.
All right, so
It's looking pretty good. I feel like we should have done the Coke in the beginning and we wouldn't have had the deeper lines from the power wash, and it would have been more evenly, it would have evenly lifted the stains off of it, so that even if it wasn't to its very original color, it would have looked really good.
yeah, but the darker areas are this one and kind of the front of this area.
Yeah.
And so
But all of this is gonna
we can get it
right
to look
off.
pretty good with the power washer.
Yeah, so that combination I think should be pretty good.
It's not gonna look brand new, but
I don't
that's
think
fine.
it's worth painting it though. That was one thing I had considered, just since it's not gonna look that much better. It already looks way better. Once we're done with this, it'll look much better than how it started. And I think that will be good.
All right, let's get to work. We did it.
It looks way better.
Way better. So let's show you the before and the after, and really, really big difference.
Yeah.
Because,
It's not perfect, but it's way better.
you know, how old is this house?
Really old. 25 years?
Yeah.
Old, something
So,
like that.
and based on the interior of the house, when we went through that, and if you want to check that video out, it was gross.
Yeah.
It probably hadn't been cleaned just like the inside of the house for who knows how
I'm
long.
guessing,
So
yeah.
couldn't get too close because I didn't want to chip any of the concrete, but that's as good as it's going to get. And I think it's pretty good. Plus,
Yeah.
you're going to put
We're gonna
patio
have
furniture out here.
It'll look good.
Yep. But
gonna be good.
the Coke did help.
It definitely did.
The part on the end that we didn't have Coke on was a lot harder to get off with the power sprayer, so it did help.
In retrospect, we would have not even probably done the power wash situation because it was just so time consuming. We would have done the Coke all over, done it in the morning where we could leave it on for 20 minutes and then, spray it off. And I think that it would have been probably
It would have
good.
been good, but the power washer certainly did a better job.
It gets
but-
deeper. It's just that it makes a line. And
Yep.
so you have to spend forever doing that.
Yeah.
So,
And of course, with the power washer, the other downside is we had to do all the wall too because stuff sprayed all over the walls.
yes, but there you
So.
got to see how much better it's looking back here. I was enjoyable. I was just watching Ben work and it was kind
She's
of
taking a nap.
rewarding.
We should have filmed her almost taking a nap over there.
It was rewarding to see all that grime coming off, so I feel
Yeah.
good about it.
Okay.
All in a day's work.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, do all the things you do, and we'll see you next time.